In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find ads you have seen on YouTube. Maybe you watched a YouTube video, saw an ad for a product, an app, or a website, and later realized you wanted to check it out again, but the ad was gone. The good news is, you don't have to wait and hope it shows up again. There's a simple way to look up the ads that have recently been shown to you, using your Google account settings. First, open a web browser on your computer or your phone and make sure you're signed in with the same Google account you use for YouTube. This is important because the ad history is tied to your account, not the device. Once you're signed in, go to your Google account page. An easy way to get there is to click on your profile picture in the top right corner of any Google page, like Gmail or YouTube, and then choose Manage your Google account. When your account page opens, look for the section related to data and privacy or ads. The exact wording can change slightly over time, but you're looking for something like data and privacy in the left-hand menu. Click that, then scroll until you find the area labeled Personalized Ads or Ad Settings, and open it. On the Ad Settings page, make sure that ad personalization is turned on. If it's off, Google won't be saving the kinds of ads you've been shown, and you won't see a detailed history. Assuming it is on, look for an option that says something like Recent Ads or Ads You've Seen. This is the key section. Click into it. Here, you'll see a list of ads that have been shown to you recently across Google services, including YouTube. You can usually filter or scroll through them by time or by advertiser. Take your time and look through the thumbnails, titles, and URLs. When you recognize the ad you're looking for, click on it to see more details. Often you'll find the advertiser's name, the website they were promoting, and a link you can follow directly to their page. If you don't immediately see the ad you remember, scroll further back or try again later. Not every single ad appears here, but many do, especially if it was a recent one. Also, remember that clearing history, using incognito mode, or turning off ad personalization can limit what shows up. That's all there is to it. By using your Google account's ad settings, you can quickly track down many of the YouTube ads you've seen without relying on memory or waiting for them to appear again.